Listen, no. I
When
just
we
I
will
just
marry.
want us to record this, and when we watch it in 2027, we
Exactly.
want all of it to be fulfilled.
Okay, then let's say everything.
Yeah.
Okay. I was playing Sims. Tennis, and I'm gonna go gym from next month and gain weight, like proper weight, a healthy weight, and then also I wanna visit Meghalaya. I wanna go hiking and stuff, treks and stuff. So
For
I
me,
wanna do
okay.
that.
I wanna lose weight. I wanna.
Oh, and then I don't wanna date anybody. I'm gonna be single 2026 whole year.
For me, 2026, I want to lose weight. I want to focus on health. Like as I would have to be consistent in gym, like not like breaking, going. I have to be consistent, and I have to be the better version in all the ways. Work, family. I want to be that girl who's capable of doing everything, right? And then I want to love people, and I want to be loved properly as well. Yeah, and I want to see you guys also happy.
Cute. So for me, I want to travel a lot this year. I also want to learn swimming. As I told, swimming I want to learn. I want to join dance classes, like let it be heels. I want to learn heels so bad. I will do heels this year. I'm
I
getting
also want to
famous.
make money.
I'm getting famous this year.
You are
I
all
can't
doing.
make money because
I'm
I
studying.
have
It's
one
okay.
more year.
It's okay. It's like I really want to post something like. Which
I want to
means-
model. I want to model.
Maybe you have a good, talent in that. You should actually do that.
I don't know. Maybe for some clothing brand. I mean, I don't
You
know.
were doing it now before.
You, me, and all. But
Yeah.
I mean,
I want to
better
do it
ones.
very professionally, like so that I can see myself on the billboard.
Oh.
So big dreams, right?
It's good. Let's manifest
I
together.
mean, you should dream big.
Yeah.
How it's all actually like like sometimes we have this friend who's from North India and we'll be like this. It's like my North Indian side and my Northeastern side.
And our South Indian side.
And then I think this year is gonna be a year where we take baby steps for whatever we want to achieve.
Exactly. Like we are not
I
gonna
mean,
be
nothing huge, but at least starting something.
Yeah,
Not-
the push.
Exactly.
The
No.
push is gonna be this.
We are not gonna be like, okay, should be. No, let's just do it.
Yeah.
Whatever it
Let's
is.
Whether
fucking
it
do
turns out to be bad,
Okay, it's a
Just
learning.
do it. What is your advice to people? You are 22-year-old? Huh. What is your advice to people? Like, what have you learned? And what is like a, that this though you should do? What is that kind of advice?
I think no matter what life throws at you, just stay kind. Because at the end, kindness always wins, I guess.
What is your
Stay kind and also be empathetic.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Be emotionally intelligent more than academically, I guess.
Yeah.
It should
I mean,
balance out.
It's just that you need to be better human first,
Yeah,
and then
because-
anything else.
In order to live properly, you should have the emotional intelligence more than anything.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Money can't buy
And
any-
also,
everything.
just because people are treating you like a shit, that doesn't mean you should do the same to them.
Yeah.
Just be yourself. Whatever the people are doing, let them do that. That's
Yeah.
how they are. But we cannot be like that. So we'll always be ourselves, and then later on they should regret that. Okay, I lost a person who's good.
I mean, not just about person or anything, but
Whatever, yeah.
anything. If it doesn't work out for you, it was simply not
Not
for you.
meant for you.
Not just the
What-
person,
you
even
know,
the situation,
I would-
Yeah.
like a work, your
Yeah,
job,
exactly.
whatever it is. If it doesn't turn out good, that doesn't mean you're not good enough for that. That just means that that's not for you.
Also-
And there is something else.
Exactly. The things that are supposed to be for you reach you even crossing 7 heavens.
Yeah.
I mean,
What is
everything-
meant
Yeah.
for you will be yours.
Will never pass you. Okay?
Yeah, and also, okay, my advice will be don't be available for everyone. Never be available.
Exactly.
You are not that cheap that you'll like just give limited access to yourself.
Yeah, you can give limited access while staying kind.
Yeah.
So first of all, be kind to yourself.
Be kind and also just know कि okay, this is the time when I gotta leave from this place because अगर वो चेयर आपके लिए नहीं बनी है और आप उसमें बैठे हुए हो तो आपको इज्जत नहीं मिलेगी जब
Yeah.
आपको पता होना चाहिए कब आपको उस चेयर से उठकर चले जाना है तो that is my
Politely,
advice.
just leave.
Yeah, just leave. And don't tag along to anything. Let it be a person, let it be a activity, let it be a job, anything. If you are like if you're getting drained there, don't tag along.
Also, I also learned this one thing where, you know, before
Your
it-
body is gonna tell you.
Yeah, right. You know, it's like for me, before I used to be like, even if I know I don't belong here, I used to try to fit in there. But now it's like I don't want to fit in anywhere.
We know that.
Yeah. Yeah, they know that. Yeah. Yeah,
Hey, 2025, she grew like this.
Yeah, 2025 she has grown so much. 2025 she has grown so much, and I really respect her for that. She has grown so much. In
For me,
2025.
This angle is so much better.
Do you want to do it again? No, but we've already naturally spoke a
it's not
lot.
gonna come from the heart. So
Yeah.
So this clip is still gonna be
yeah.
better.
For me, it's like I am not gonna try to fit anywhere. If I feel like I don't belong here, I don't wanna be there. I
Yeah.
don't wanna belong to a place where I'm not.
We used to tell her so
So
much.
bad, yeah. So Parnika, it's not your place. But she used to cry and she used to feel so bad about that. I mean, I used to feel sad,
Yeah.
but it's okay.
But it's okay. At the end, you have people.
Yeah. And just be loyal to yourself.
And also, I feel
And
like
if people tell you, oh my god, I'm telling you, so many people have told me, oh my god, Vidushi, you're cringe. My best friends, he has always let me down, okay? But I don't give a fuck right now. I don't give a fuck. I'm so done with all of it. I don't give a fuck anymore.
personal.
This
Get it?
is
You have to cut that.
you gotta learn.
You have to keep this for yourself and not put it.
You gotta learn when to fuck off.
Yeah.
You gotta learn when to tell people to fuck off.
You know, at this point, I'm in that point in my life where, you know, I don't care if this person is gonna leave me because I'm gonna do something like this.
Yeah, I'm not scared of people leaving.
them.
I'm like, oh, let them go.
I mean, at least
Peace.
see, at the end of the day, I want them real people. If it's one or two, I'm fine with that.
Because it's you get what you deserve, and we deserve something good. That's the reason bad things are always leaving. No,
Yeah.
you get what you
Also,
deserve.
give less. If you give people more,
They have
they'll-
the tendency
they'll-
to leave.
No, they'll try to extract more from you.
Yep,
Give less.
I
Give
have
less.
been a victim.
I have been a victim too. So, give people less so that they cannot
I'm like,
extract
should I
more.
say I have or not? Like, no, I
No.
don't think I have.
No.
See, I'm
You're
more-
yet to. Yet.
I think I'm gonna start my.
One
No,
more
no,
advice.
no, touch it, touch it.
No, one more advice. Continue hating men. Because
Yeah.
when you actually meet a guy that you don't want to hate, that's when you know he's the one for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Until then, continue hating him also.
Up
You're
Sub-
gonna watch.
sub-
You're gonna take this video next year, right?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what is happening.
It is going to be on my YouTube. And then, so that 1 year later we can watch it and it is safe there.
Yeah. 1 year later, I really want things to work good in
Yeah.
every perspective,
Yeah.
It
every aspect.
will. It will.
It will. It will.
That's the
See you
girl's
after a
advice.
year.
Yeah. Bye.
With we're gonna achieve everything.
Yeah.
Just
We'll be sitting wearing Chanel here.
1 year में सब कुछ.
For me, Chanel. Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
Thrifted
Hope you-
Chanel.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Ray-Ban.
thrift Chanel.
Oh, you wanna thrift? Show these glasses. बहुत पैसा है इस पे Ray-Ban की glasses ले रही है.
Yeah.
I still remember those glasses. Oh my god, she used to wear this so much.
Okay, guys. Bye bye. Hope you liked that advice we gave.
Let all
Big
your
sister advice.
No, your all dreams should come true. So work
Yeah.
for that. Never stop yourself from working for anything that you always want in your life. Even if all the ways you're going through is very bad, still keep on going. One day you're gonna get it.
To all of you.
Yes.
Wishing you
All
luck
the luck.
and all the best.
Yeah.